Hi you guys, if you're new to our channel, welcome. Consider subscribing. My sister and I, Maddie, share beauty videos about once a week, and we also run an Instagram page called Beauty Budget Moms where we share hauls and beauty tips and tricks and blah, blah, blah. Anyways, today, if you've been here before, you know I'm a big fan of my Little Mascara Club. Well, we're talking about it today. I'm gonna show you the application that I use and really just a speed through of me putting on the mascara so you can really see, take a look, how good it is. Okay, so check this out. Get ready to see something amazing. The great thing about my Little Mascara Club's wand is number one, it's shaped for your eye. But number two, it's nice and short. So I have full control over what I'm doing. Much more control than I've ever had with any wand I've used. And the formula is just dead on. It extends my lashes better than any mascara I've used. I am 100% a huge fan of this mascara. Like literally, this wand does all the work for you. So if you really struggle to get your mascara applied, this wand makes it so much easier. I mean, look at the difference here, you guys. It is just amazing. My lashes, I can literally like feel them lifting and touching my eyelid. Like so good. The other thing I love is that during the day, I don't get a bunch of residue up here because the formula is made almost like a fiber lash. So at night when I take it off, it all comes off in clumps and I don't have to worry about that black stuff up here that drives me crazy. Okay, you guys, this mascara, I don't know, you tell me. I think it speaks for itself. It is the best. We love it. You gotta try it. My Little Mascara Club. Always coming to my rescue. Thank you. Hey, you guys, thank you so much for joining me today for my little tiny review of my Little Mascara Club, showing you exactly how I apply it. This is something we 100% love. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. They reached out to us maybe 6 months ago or so, and they're like, hey, do you wanna try this? And we're willing to try whatever, you know, people want us to try, but we only show you guys the things that we love. We're in love with this. We're not ambassadors. We don't make money when you buy this, but we love it, and so we're gonna show you. It is the best mascara I have ever used. Like I said before, the results speak for themselves. Like, it's just so good. The formula is amazing. They've nailed it. I don't have to deal with residue up here. It lasts all day. I don't have it like flaking down below. There's just so many benefits to this stuff. The short wand, I could go on and on. Go check out my other videos on my Little Mascara Club up here. I'll put them right up here. Thanks for joining me. Make sure you subscribe. Have a good day.